So there's the table cover. This table is 8 feet long. I think 32 inches tall. So let's see if it works or fits. So it comes with a nice bag. So far the material is very nice. It's pretty high quality. It's very durable, which is nice. I think the fit for the cover depends on the size of your patio chairs. My patio chairs are more taller and wider and it leans back. So I apologize for the loud wind chimes. We were expecting rain this evening, so it was very windy that day. One thing to note that this cover, both ends of the cover has a handle. In addition to that, it also has a air pocket so that when the wind blows underneath the table, the air has somewhere to escape, therefore not lifting up the whole entire table cover, which is nice. Here's a close-up of the air pocket for the optimum airflow. The mesh feels really strong, not cheap, nicely stitched, also covered very well and hidden with this pocket. I'm extremely impressed with all of the stitching. They look really secured, very heavy duty stitches. So both sides of the table has the belt buckle that you can attach to the table, or in my case to the chair, so that the table cover does not move. It stays stationary even when the wind is blowing at it. And here is the end results. My table droops on the corner because the table cover is suited for the length but not the width. The width is a little too wide for this particular setup. But I'm happy with the cover because it actually covers the table and the chairs. Patio Gem is the brand of the table cover. So this side of my patio is always dusty because the neighbor lawnmower man always blows dust over that side of the house. So having this table cover helps a lot.